Okay guys, so if you're watching this, can you please subscribe? If you can see, I have no subscribers. And go watch and like all my other videos except the Nitro Circus one. In the whip section and really early. I'm not really good at that. Sorry. I just got on this game. I haven't played it for like a month. So I'm really bad at it. Or not right. I am. I can't even talk, so. Alright, so me and my friends once figured out that we could get on top of the roof by going over here and jumping the side of the finish line jump. Just that time. It did not work. Ooh, never mind. Okay. It worked. Happy about that. Oh man, I forgot to put a marker up there. Shoot. Oh. Ah. So here, let's go on to the Supercross tracks. I suck. Just to let you guys know. So, oh. I suck at the triples the most. I feel like the way they're set up is just like absolutely impossible. Especially for somebody that does not do Supercross. I love watching it. Absolutely love watching it. But it just doesn't work out when I try to do it in this game. I feel like the track, like I know it's in real life, or trying to be like real life, but, oh come on, man, that was sad. I know it's trying to be like in real life, but I feel like the jumps and stuff are just way too close to each other. I know it's a game and all, but I don't even know how you could ride this. These are so dang, they're so chunked up together. Just let you know, if you guys could put in the comments on a better way to use the clutch, because I'm trying to be able to use the clutch in the turns instead of the brake, but it's not really working. Oh, see, that's why I'm going to use the clutch. Yeah, okay, let's not try to use the clutch boost when I have a 450. But let's go to the Supercross track over here. Alright. And I feel like I can never get enough speed for the whoops either. So this track, I like this supercross track better because it's much bigger. Even though I suck at them, it's still much more fun for me. I mean, look at this. This is crazy. Like I don't even know what intersection that's supposed to be. This double? I think this is a double, right? No, it's not the double. It's the triple. Okay. Oh, here's the double. Like this, like that. Oh man, my bad. Ooh, that was dicey. I like that. Sorry, I like using that clip in that turn. That was awesome. I like what's like real life. Like if you do that in real life, the bike would just like leave you. Like you'd be like it just spin out even more. Especially when you pin, or if you're a pin in real life. I mean, it's the game, so you can't really not pin. I mean, let me know. I mean, you can, but not really when you're racing. You just hit. You just go. I mean, am I doing that right? I want to know if those are the right lines to. I mean, it's Supercross, so you should be able to do whatever you want. Oh, dang. Probably disappointing on you guys out there that can actually play this game the right way. I could the track sort of, but whatever. Ooh. You know what I want to do? Alright, where's that one jump? Hold on here. Ooh. Where am I? Okay. Wait, that is it, right? Yeah. Alright, sorry, I was gonna like title this like the James Stewart compound track, but now that I realize what I'm doing, it's not really gonna be titled that anymore because I'm really just messing around. So, I mean, I don't know. But I'm just trying to get this inside line right here. I want to see that if you could like actually ride that thing, besides doing what I'm doing right now, which is not doing it the right way anymore. I feel like you would have to like slow the crap out of what you're doing. Okay, I don't think that's possible, to be honest with you. I mean, all the people that play this game like every day of their life, probably is for you, but not really for me. And how do you stop a backflip? Like, I just hold the front brakes and lean forward, but like even that, like, that doesn't really stop the backflip. You let me know how to do that. This way. Ooh. Ooh, and I saw in a video of, I think it was Windham. I don't remember. But off the starting gate, you like over here. Oh. So after this starting gate, come over here and you. And like it's off the starting gate, so you come here, and then they say you jump into this, and then you jump that. Which I have yet to clean it, to do that. Ooh. Alright guys, I think that's gonna wrap it up for the video. Let me know if you liked it. Let me know if you want to see more of this. And if someone actually ends up coming, then I will not be able to do videos every single day because I got school, I got homework. School is the worst thing that could ever have possibly been made. And that is gonna wrap it up for this vlog, or not. That's gonna wrap it up for this video. But yeah.